Welcome to Sabhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma.
Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has also urged the auto sector to consider 5% additional discount on the basis of a scrapping certificate for an old vehicle, as the government's vehicle scrappage policy is believed to jack up auto demand in the country. Addressing the media on the vehicle scrappage policy, Gadkari said on the issue of road tax relief, there are three lists in the constitution: central list, state list and concurrent list. Our subject falls in the concurrent list, which gives us the right to frame laws, which we have done. A Transport Ministry official further clarified on reduction in the road tax, the central government has power in the concurrent list to decide on the matter. As per the provision, the changes have made to the rules. The final rule will be notified soon. The government had earlier proposed up to 15% reduction on road tax for commercial vehicles and up to 25% for personal vehicles. The government is authorized under the concurrent list to decide upon the principle of taxation. Some states raised the concern, but the centre has satisfied them as per the provisions of the constitution, the official added. State government revenue will also go up with this scrappage policy, as it will push vehicle sales up by at least 25% to 30%. Half GST on auto sales will accrue to the states. We need to implement the policy in coordination with the state government. Our motto is the reduction in pollution, sustainable development and employment generation. This is a public interest issue and I hope that all the state governments will cooperate with the centre on the issue, Gadkari said. There will be no revenue loss. The government will get tax when a new vehicle is bought after scrapping an old one. This is a win-win policy for both centre and state governments, Gadkari added, while also urging the auto sector to offer a 5% discount to those buying a new vehicle after scrapping the old one. Gadkari also said that every district will have a scrapping centre. In the district with high pollution density, up to 5 scrapping facilities could be set up. If we don't have a scrapping facility every 100 kilometers, it will not be financially viable to take a vehicle to the centre, Gadkari said, adding the scrapping business will offer a rate of return of 18%.